This is Code Combat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version of the course. I'm on level 16, time to live, goals, win the game. Set up Munchkin generator, set up attack, damage, and max health, set up, for the player. Set up 20-second survive goal, ooh, interesting, a timed survive goal. Game.add survive goal sets up a goal for the player to survive until the other goals are completed. Oh. You can pass a number as an argument, an argument is this thing in between the parentheses. So we can use 20, add a survive goal 20 to configure it so that the player should have to survive for 20 seconds. Oh, cool. All right, let's see what we're doing. All right, set the generator's spawn type to Munchkin. Okay, well, I don't know how to do that, but I bet I have this variable named generator. And I bet that's a property of generator. So generator is equal to this generator here that we have already created. So generator dot spawn type equals, and now I'm going to try out Munchkin like it asks. In quotes, okay? So hopefully that will be that one. Now, set the player's max health to at least 100. And we had done this earlier, right? So we do... Well, do I create my player? Let's see. Oh yeah, here's where my player is spawned, right? And what's the variable my player is? My player is equal to player. So the knight that is spawned at 1515, I'm in the code, I'm going to call player. So player dot max health is going to be equal to at least 100. No, why not 350? I know, awesome. And now set the player's attack damage. A player dot attack damage equals to at least 10, so 20 it is. Hey, they said at least. Okay, and so we're just setting these properties of this player object, this variable player, their max health, as we go. Now play the game. Alrighty. Survive for 20 seconds. I'm super powerful. I think I will. How strong is this? Oh, wait. Where are you, dude? Ah. Boom. I bet I survive. Yeah. I'm the Hulk. But, awesome. I love all this stuff we're doing with properties. Let's, keep going.